Visionary companies like the aerospace industry are continuing to invest in the future and a bright future here in Asheville. At this particular juncture, I am pleased to announce that Pratt Whitney, a world leader in aviation, will build a new state-of-the-art factory here in Buncombe County, adding 800 jobs in Asheville, and will invest $650 million.
Our Board of Commissioners has been proud to support this project from its earliest days. The significant investment and commitment to job creation being announced by Pratt & Whitney today is without precedent. Our community's emergence as a growing hub for aerospace manufacturers is a testament to the talent and skills of the workers in our mountain region and the value of public-private partnerships.
This project truly took a team effort, and we knew it from the very beginning and from the outset of it. It was too big and too complicated and enormous for any one group to handle it by themselves. That's why our family and our company leaned in and provided the land for this transformative project. So as we consider our people, this project, and the future for our area, I know we have the work ethic, I know we have the talent, I know we have the leadership, I know we have the relationships, and I know us mountain folk, we have the pure grit and determination to pull this off.